Hi guys. My name is Igor. Today I will tell you how I operate my electric winch for jet ski lift if I lost power. I need to take these jet skis to the yacht, but jet ski lift is not working. Before we start, I want to remind you that work with electricity requires qualification. This is a lift control box. There are two motors with winches. Power problem occurred because the contractors damaged the cable. First of all, I need to make sure that the breaker is on. I take my multimeter and set it to measure current. In our case it is AC. And checking. No power. I will double check with contactless tester. Safety first. No power. Then, we go to the main breaker box. Turn on the breakers. And make sure there is no power here either. Turn off the breakers before opening the breaker box. Unscrew it here. And here. After I opened the box, I'm going to use my contactless tester to make sure once again, there is no power here. This is the input breaker. This one is winch's control. I am moving to our main box. I need to unscrew in 4 places. Let's check again that there is no power here. Power isn't coming here because the contractors damaged the cable somewhere. When the tester has a red indication, it means that it is working. When a phase, power is detected, a beep will sound, and a light indicator will not disappear. All the breakers are off. But we still need to put our 2 jet skis on the water. Here we can see that this elevator can operate both at 120 volts and at 240 volts. The standard on this island is 120 volts. Previously, this elevator was connected to 240 volts. So as a temporary solution, we are going to connect the elevator to 120 volts. According to the wiring diagram, we can see that the black wire is phase, and the red wire is neutral. First, I unscrew 2 input wires that came from the main breaker box. Here is the first wire. And here is the second one. I have a short piece of wire like this. And an external power. Here we gonna make a direct 120 volt connection. I remind you that it's only a temporary solution. I connect the black wire, this is the phase. And connect the red wire, it's neutral. Let's connect these 2 wires. I made another wire, because the previous one I dropped into the water. If you want to see how to make a connection like this, write a comment and I will record a video on this topic. Now I am going to connect this wire. Black wire is a phase. I connected it. The red wire, neutral, is also connected. Now I just need to connect the jumper wire to the red one. This is how it looks like after connection. My extension cord that I made from what I had. Phase connects to phase. Red jumper wire connects to the neutral distribution block. The only thing I need, to insulate the wires. My extension cord will go there. I make sure there is a power in the power cord I brought. I turn on the multimeter on voltage measurement. Here we can see AC. It is always AC in the plug. We have almost 120 volts here. Let's connect them. We can see an indication that means we have power. Here too. Now we can use our winch. Before we connected the extension cord, we make sure that the breakers that go to the box are off. I packed my temporary extension cord inside until the contractors found the damaged cable and fix it. Do not forget to close the boxes that are outside with screws. Boxes like these have seals that protect against moisture. It was Kotov Fix channel. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel.